So these videos are made by leonardo.ai with just one click. So leonardo.ai just drop a new feature which is called motion AI. So what you need to do is just go to your AI image generation and just paste a command here to create a image, and you can choose the ratio also for a better view. So I'm going to choose the 16:9, and you just have to click on generate, and after a few seconds creating some good picture like this, then you just have to go to any picture and you will have an option like generate motion video, which is a new feature here. So you just have to click on the generate motion video, and here you can see you can also choose the motion strength here if you want fixed motion, or the settings determines the amount of movement added to the original image. So I'm going to just go for 4 here, and it will takes 25 token. As you know, we only get 150 token, but it's free right now. So just I'm going to generate here, and it will just take a couple of seconds to generate my video here. So as you can see, here's the video that I made here with just motion generate here. So this new cool feature is free right now. It's only take 25 tokens, so you can use it. So now you can just click on this MP4 here and it will download to your PC. So there's another cool feature is that you can just go to your older generation and just click on any image that you have made previously. For example, if I click on this, and you see there's an option of generate motion video. So you can also create generate motion video from an older picture. And also, if I go to my community feed here, then I can choose any photo from here to create a video here. So if I just click on this video, and as you can see, you can also use community feed to use another image to create image to motion here. So if I just click on it, and you can also choose the motion strength here. So for example, if I this video choose higher movement here and just click on generate 25, and also it will say that view your video generation starts on the AI generation page. So just click on view generation and it will just take you to your page here. And if I go down, as you can see, my video has been created here. So here's the video is made. As you can see, because I have increased the motion here, that's why it's moving too fast here. So this is a pretty cool feature in the leonardo.ai. Just go to leonardo.ai and test it. And if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel. And if you also want to use this type of AI video, please leave a comment. And thank you for watching.